Hello everyone, welcome to Dice Design Tutorials. Today we will learn how to create gradient flowers in Adobe Illustrator. So this is part 3 in which I will tell you how to make these flower with another technique which is rotate and copy tool. So let's begin with the tutorial. So for this flower what you need is this leaf shape which can be achieved by intersecting the two circles. So I will draw a circle by clicking on the Shift and the Alt, and I will make a copy of this by clicking on the Alt button. Select this and drag it here to the right side and copy. Now select both the circles and go to Pathfinder. You can also find the Pathfinder tool from the window, and now go to intersect. Now a leaf has been made by like this. Now what you have to do is select the rotate tool. This is the rotate tool. Select this, and as you can see here, there's a green sign in the center. You can drag this downwards here and double click this by clicking on the Alt. Now as you can see, there's a rotate dialog box appears, and the preview option is selected. You can see that this shape has been rotated to at an angle of 60°. If you want at another angle, you can type 30° and preview it again. See, so I want this at an angle of 60°, and make sure you select the copy option so it will make another copy of this and it will not erase the previous shape. So like this, you can make a copy. Now I want to repeat this task again, so I will select Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Now a flower has been made by this technique, and I have achieved 6 petals out of this. Now I can unite this and make it a single shape, and I can also keep it like this and change the colors of the petals as it is. So I will make a copy. Now I can unite this by going to the Pathfinder and unite this, or I can change the colors of this shape, or give it a gradient style also. Like you can change the colors, this color like this, or you can change it to gradient also. Like this you can change it and give it a gradient effect and change all the shape like this, or you can keep it as it is. So it's your wish what you have to do. So this layer has been made. Now I want to make another layer by this shape. So I will drag this here and drag this here. First of all, I will group this, and I will drag this here by clicking on the Shift and Alt, and I will rotate this. Now I want a gradient effect in each petal, so I will go to gradient and drag this here. I will go to I want all these effects in this petal, this petal, this petal, this petal, and this petal. So I will change it like this. And I want another shape. Control C, Control F, and I'll resize it to a smaller size. I'll change it color and bring it to front. And I can also change the color of this to a darker tone. Now for the circle, I will draw, change its color. So like this you can achieve another flower by this technique and make awesome flowers out of it. So that's it, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye till then.